Welcome back to another Rentvine Academy. I'm your host, Alex Cordoves, sales engineer here at Rentvine, and we have a brand new feature to show you guys today. We haven't publicized this yet, and you're seeing it here first. We're going to navigate to Money Out, select your Actions button, and we have a new button that you can select here, and that's Import Bills. So what does this mean? You can now bulk upload bills from Google Sheets or Excel into Rentvine. A lot of our customers have been asking for this feature, and now we have it. So folks, navigate to Import Bills, select Actions. I'm going to select my Import Bills button. It has to be in CSV format, so keep in mind you can convert your Google Sheet or your Excel file into CSV. It must have these columns on that file. You could use our template as a reference. I'm going to go ahead and upload my own into here. I'm going to click Import. And now I can see the three bills I want to bulk upload into Rentvine. But there's an error, and that's okay. I can select each line item and view what's going on. You can see here it doesn't read that property ledger. That's okay. I could search for it one more time. I could edit it. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other two. So I'm going to go in here, search for that ledger, make sure I save it. We're going to do it one more time. Alrighty. Select that, save. Once I have the three green check marks, I am ready to publish these bills into Rentvine. So I'm going to go in here one more time, publish bills, toggle, publish, and now I've successfully bulk uploaded bills into Rentvine. So I can navigate to Money Out. I can see those three bills sit here on my list. I can approve them and get those vendors paid, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on next week's Rentvine Academy. And always remember, Rentvine to the moon.